now we're just finishing up some little small details. We're going to take this and hydro dip it. Let's give it like a carbon fiber look. I don't know if you can see that. So it's another way of blacking out the badging on the vehicle. So we already sanded it down. Just scuff it up a little bit. So when we add the primer and the adhesive on there, that everything works perfectly. So now we're just wiping off any excess dust from the sanding, any oils, any kind of loose, particles. So this is going to be the primer that we're going to use. You can go on mydipkit.com and it'll tell you the whole kit with the activators, the base coat, the clear coat, the primer, the film, instructional video how to do it. So we're just going to do a light coat. So we let this one dry for about 1 or 2 hours, and then we'll come back, throw another little light coat on there, and then we'll go with the base coat. Alright, so now we want to do a base coat on here. We already did a light base coat, but now we're going to do a heavy base coat. Then we're going to let it sit and dry for about 2 to 3 hours. We're going to do a light scuff with the pad, and then it'll be ready to go ahead and lay the film in and do what we got to do. So now we're going to let this dry for about 2 to 3 hours, and then ready for the final step, and that's it. Okay, so now we're back. Do a little light scuffing. water settle a little bit, calm down from all the movement. Once that happens, then we're going to lay the film down. And then we will spray the activator onto the film, and then we can just lay the emblems right into it. Now we have to let that activate for about 60 seconds. Now we're going to try to do 2 emblems at one time because unfortunately I thought I had more film, which I don't. I don't know what happened to it. We're not going to even discuss that, but we're going to try to do 2 at the same time. We'll try to dip in slow and then go against. About 10 seconds left. I don't know if you can see. Hard time focusing, but I'll show you. Now we just gotta let it dry, and then we shoot it with a little bit of clear coat, and then that's it. It's ready to go on the car.